Hello, I am Chris Palmer, and in today's link building SEO video, I'm going to show you how you can create relevant backlinks from non-relevant websites. So this is a link building strategy that is generally used by webmasters that are acquiring expired domains. And I'm sure you've been in this predicament before where you find an awesome domain for the perfect price, tons of referring domains, but it's not relevant. Well, that worry is no more because backlink theme vectoring, you can actually build relevant backlinks from a non-relevant website. So before we get into this, in my opinion, relevance is the new page rank. Page rank is used to give each page, it's used by Google to give each page a relative score of importance and authority by evaluating the quality and the quantity of its links. So in 2020, I feel that relevance or the quality of the link is most important. So receiving a quality link is a lot better than just receiving a quantity of links. So if you have a link that has a ton of referring domains and it's not relevant, it's not as powerful. So if you have ever been inside of this predicament and you find an expired domain and you still want to acquire it and you want to point it at your site, with backlink theme vectoring, this is possible. So recently we have been playing with this concept and I have really been seeing some positive results. I took this morning. Now again, we have just acquired a very loosely related expired domain, and we rebuilt the whole site to its original state. But what we did was a backlink theme vectoring link building strategy. We did this strategy that I'm going to show you in order to receive this jump. And we were able to see an immediate spike, and of course this is going to be the dance. This is over the course of a few days. We're just starting to notice this, and I'm seeing a positive result, so I want to share it with you. So that's what we're doing. And what I'll do for you, this is something that generally happens, okay? You get a domain, right? Let's say you have domain A, okay? And domain A is about dogs, all right? This is loosely related, okay? This is where we're coming in. And it has pages about dogs, okay? And these are pages about dogs. This is all about dogs, okay? Now, this is loosely related, and this is site A. Okay, remember site A, it's about dogs. Now site B, and this site over here, is about cats. So cats and dogs are loosely related, right? You could make it work. So traditionally, normally, how you would build a backlink is simply link out from here to here, right? So in order to make this more relevant, which again, relevance is the new page rank. Relevance makes a link quality. You want to have and pass a quality link. So with backlink theme vectoring, this is how it would look. And I want to break this down for you. This is how we've been able to get this spike, as you can see here. We had a really nice spike. This is what they call the dance. I'm sure that you know. So we're seeing the dance, which is a good sign. So let me go ahead and show you what we did as far as backlink theme vector. We still had site A, and it's still about dogs, okay? And let's say that this is the site. So we had 1, 2, 3 pages, all right? This is about dogs, and this is about dogs. Now these go down into silos, okay? This is a silo, 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 all right? Now, we still have site B. Now site B is about cats, all right? We're just using this as an example. This is how you create a relevant link from a non-relevant website, but you still want the power and the authority. This is why you go through this. This is what you do. So after you've rebuilt this site to its original state, and all these pages are about dogs, but I still want the link because this was such a great domain, how do we utilize backlink theme vectoring? So this is how it's done. So this is dogs, and this is about dogs. Now, what you would do is on this page here, in the content, there is a piece of text, an anchor text. All right, that's on this page, going to a page on this site about dogs, but this page here is about cats. So this page that's on the dog blog is about cats. But see this right here, this page that was built, it has contextual, in the contextual text, going to another page on its own blog. The whole page is about cats, but on a dog blog. Okay, you still with me? I hope so. Now, on this cats page that has this is crucial, is the anchor text from that page, from this page here to this page here. That's the crucial part. Now, on this page, it's going to link out with a contextual backlink to my cats page, passing a more related, relevant quality backlink. And this is backlink theme vectoring in action. Now, we have recently been utilizing this, and we're starting to see a very positive result. There may be other factors, but this is the only link. This is the only thing that we did, and we are seeing very positive results, as you saw. If you have any questions about link building strategies, if you have questions about link building, backlinks, SEO, local SEO, digital marketing, Facebook ads, affiliate marketing, pretty much anything SEO or digital marketing business related, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you in the next link building SEO strategy video. Have a wonderful day.